Folks, you know that feeling when you spend hours creating a quiz with expensive tools, but it still looks boring and gets very few completions? Or when you try to engage people with your content, but traditional posts or forms just aren't working anymore? Well, I recently discovered Qzzr, and folks, this might be one of the most powerful quiz maker I have ever used for creating interactive content that actually gets people engaged. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I'll show you how this tool works and how it can transform the way you create games, assessments, and interactive content. We'll explore everything from AI-powered quiz generation to custom design options that make your content look professional. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. Alright friends, let's talk about what Qzzr actually is. This is a quiz maker that goes way beyond simple question and answer formats. We're talking about over 30 different interactive formats, from personality tests and assessments to mini-games like Sudoku and flashcards. Everything is mobile-ready and GDPR compliant, which is honestly a big deal if you're working with any kind of user data. What really sets this tool apart is the AI-assisted quiz creation. You can generate quizzes from just a topic or even a URL, which means you're not starting from scratch every single time. Folks, this alone saves hours of work. The platform includes custom design controls, so whether you're a solo creator or part of a larger team, you can make everything match your brand. No more generic-looking quizzes that scream free template. Guys, this isn't just for teachers either. Coaches, consultants, content creators, marketing teams, even e-commerce brands can use Qzzr to create product finders, assessments, or engagement tools that actually convert. The free plan unlocks all pro features right from the start. Yes, you heard that right. No feature walls, no constant upgrade prompts. When you do need to scale beyond the free limits, the pricing is flat and inexpensive. That's a massive advantage compared to other platforms that nickel and dime you for every feature. Alright folks, let's walk through how to actually use Qzzr. First, head over to the website and sign up for a free account. The registration process takes about 30 seconds, and you don't need a credit card. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll see different content types: quiz, personality quiz, poll and survey, minigames, leaderboard, and forms. For this demo, we'll focus on creating a quiz, but the process is similar for other formats. Click on Quiz and you'll get 4 options: create quiz from scratch, from template with AI, or from file upload. Let's start with the AI option since that's where this tool really shines. When you select Create Quiz with AI, you'll see 2 paths. You can either enter a topic directly or paste a URL from a blog post, article, or video. The intelligence will extract relevant information and generate questions automatically. Folks, let me show you how this works in practice. I'll enter a topic, let's say digital marketing basics. Now you choose how many questions you want. I'll go with 5 for this example. You can also select the language and difficulty level. Once that's set, just hit Let's go. Watch this, mates. In less than 30 seconds, Qzzr generates a complete quiz with questions and multiple choice answers. Each question is relevant, properly structured, and ready to use. This is the kind of speed that changes workflows. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now let's say you want to edit something. Click on any question and you'll see the full editor. You can modify the question text, change answer options, add images, or even switch the format. Want to add an image to make it more visual? Click the image icon, and you can either upload your own or search through Pexels for free stock photos. If you need to add more questions, just click Add a block and choose your format. Here's where it gets interesting, guys. You can see different question formats: single select, multiple select, guess it, tap and find, type the answer. Each format adds a different level of engagement. You can mix and match formats within the same quiz, which keeps things dynamic and prevents people from zoning out halfway through. Once your quiz is ready, click Publish. You'll get a shareable link that works anywhere: your website, social media, email campaigns, or even learning management systems. Guys, you can also generate a QR code if you want people to access it offline or in physical spaces. Now, what if you already have content ready? That's where the Create from File upload option comes in. You can upload Excel, CSV, or PDF files in the respective templates, and Qzzr will extract questions and answers automatically. Similarly, if you have a blog post or web page, just paste the URL, and the AI does the rest. But folks, quizzes are just the beginning. Click on Personality Quiz. This format works great for fun, interactive quizzes that help people figure out their leadership style or see which marketing approach fits their brand best. These are incredibly popular for lead generation and audience engagement. You can also create polls and surveys with real-time results, mini-games like crosswords or slot machines, and even leaderboards for competitions. Friends, the variety here is genuinely impressive. Everything you create is stored in your dashboard, so you can go back and edit, duplicate, or archive content whenever you need. You also get analytics, views, completion rates, and response breakdowns. This data helps you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Alright mates, let's wrap this up. Qzzr is one of those tools that genuinely delivers on its promise. If you're a teacher, coach, content creator, or marketer, this platform can save you hours of work while making your content significantly more engaging. The AI-powered quiz creation is fast and accurate, the variety of formats keeps things interesting, and the fact that all pro features are unlocked on the free plan means you can test everything without spending a dime. Guys, I'd recommend signing up and creating your first quiz today, whether it's for a course, a marketing campaign, or just to engage your audience. Qzzr makes the whole process simple and effective. Have you ever struggled with creating engaging content for your audience? Share your experiences in the comments below. Feel free to check out the links in the description, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.